Hello everyone, welcome to this series on Fools in the Plays of William Shakespeare. And in this video, we are going to discuss the characters of Trinculo and Stephano in his play The Tempest. Introduction. Trinculo and Stephano, a jester and a drunken butler respectively, serve as comic relief in William Shakespeare's The Tempest. Through their antics and interactions, they add humor and absurdity to the play, while also providing a satirical commentary on the themes of power and colonization. This video explores the roles of Trinculo and Stephano in the narrative, their contributions to the play's comedic elements, and their significance in highlighting Shakespeare's critique of power dynamics and colonial enterprises. Trinculo and Stephano's role in the narrative. Trinculo and Stephano are introduced in Act 2, Scene 2, where they encounter the native inhabitant Caliban. Their entrance into the play provides a stark contrast to the serious and mystical elements of the preceding scenes. As a jester and a butler, they represent the lower social classes, and their behavior is characterized by drunkenness and foolishness. Their interactions with Caliban lead to a subplot that parallels the main action of the play, particularly the themes of power and control. Their initial encounter with Caliban is marked by misunderstandings and absurdity. Trinculo, seeking shelter from a storm, mistaken Caliban for a fish and hides under his cloak. Stephano, arriving soon after, is equally confused but quickly sees an opportunity to assert his authority over Caliban. This comedic situation sets the tone for their subsequent actions, which oscillate between humor and a critique of colonial attitudes. Contributions to humor and absurdity. The humor provided by Trinculo and Stephano is multifaceted, incorporating slapstick, wordplay, and absurdity. Their drunkenness and bumbling behavior are sources of laughter, yet they also expose the foolishness and hubris of those who seek to dominate others without understanding them. For instance, when Stephano discovers Caliban, he declares himself king of the island, despite his obvious incompetence. "I shall no more to sea, here shall I die ashore. This is a very scurvy tune to sing at a man's funeral. Well, here's my comfort." Stephano's drunken proclamation of kingship is both humorous and ironic, highlighting the ridiculousness of his ambition and the arbitrary nature of power. Trinculo's interactions and Stephano and Caliban further add to the comedy. His incredulity at the situations they find themselves in and his sarcastic remarks serve as a counterpoint to Stephano's grandiosity. For example, when Stephano and Caliban conspire to overthrow Prospero, Trinculo mocks their plan. "Thou liest, most ignorant monster. I am in case to justle a constable. Why, thou debauched fish thou! Was there ever man a coward that hath drunk so much sack as I today?" Satirical commentary on power and colonization. Beyond their comedic value, Trinculo and Stephano's actions and dialogue offer a satirical critique of colonialism and the exercise of power. Their treatment of Caliban mirrors the exploitation and dehumanization inherent in colonial enterprises. Caliban, initially hopeful that Stephano and Trinculo will free him from Prospero's control, soon finds himself subjected to their mockery and exploitation. This dynamic is evident when Caliban pledges his allegiance to Stephano only to be met with derision and exploitation. Stephano's and Trinculo's plan to overthrow Prospero and take control of the island serves as a parody of colonial ambitions, exposing the absurdity and cruelty of such endeavors. Their misguided attempt to rule the island underscores the folly of imposing authority without understanding the land or its inhabitants. Conclusion: Trinculo and Stephano, through their comedic antics and interactions, play a crucial role in The Tempest. They provide much needed comic relief and absurdity, balancing the play's darker and more serious themes. At the same time, their behavior and dialogue offer a satirical critique of power dynamics and colonization, highlighting Shakespeare's nuanced approach to these issues. By examining their roles, we gain a deeper understanding of the play's thematic complexity and Shakespeare's enduring commentary on human nature and society. So this was the discussion on the characters of Trinculo and Stephano from Shakespeare's play The Tempest. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other character. Until then, goodbye and thank you.